Hello, this is Vivian from Zhengzhou KOMATCO Industrial Equipment. Today we arrive at Luoyang LUTONG factory. Now come with me. Let's go. The model behind me is the star of their motor graders PY180C.
The operating mass of this machine is about 16 tons. The blade is 3.9 meters long. The power configuration of this machine is Cummins with strong power and reliable performance.
The axle is new and the appearance is updated.
The cab equipped with heating and cooling air conditioner. It is comfortable for drivers with superior visibility.
And this grade is optional for front plate and rear wiper. Welcome to inquiry us freely. Hope KOMATCO can be your first choice and best Chinese supplier. See you next time.